Hello guys, good day. Now what we are going to do is I'm gonna demo our simple user registration form. First, as you can see in our simple registration form, you're gonna need to fill all the text field here. Now for password, I'm gonna input a simple, just 123. Now here, when we click the submit button, as you can see, the pop-up window where our input will be displayed here in a new window form. Now for the password, when we change the confirm password and submit it, now we can see the error message. In the error message, we can see the password not match. So we need to confirm that the password and confirm password are matched. So we're gonna input the password ABC and confirm password in ABC. Now we're gonna try to submit it again. Now as you can see in the password and password confirmed, they are matched. So there's no problem in that. Now for the reset button, when we click the reset button, all the text field are going to be erased. Here as you can see. When we type here and reset again, here as you can see the input field will be reset to original form. Now lastly, for the close button, when we click the close button, as you can see it will terminate the window form for our registration form. And I think that's it for the demo for our simple registration form. Thank you, and that's all.